In this video, we will discuss how to complete a revalidation application. Step 1. Providers that are scheduled to complete revalidation will be notified by either hand-delivered notification letter to the service location during the required site visit, if applicable, or notification will be mailed to the address if the addresses differ. Failure to respond on time may result in provider closure. Once the letter is received, providers should proceed to the Medicaid interactive website and download a facsimile to review, complete, and send in for processing. Step 2. Locate and download the facsimile. Click on Trade Files/Download. Click on the drop-down button for transaction type and click on PRV-A035-M-Provider Re-enrollment Facsimile. Click on Search and the available report will display under Current Reports Available for Download. Click on the file and the provider will be prompted to open or save the file. The provider can click on Open and the facsimile will display, or the provider can save the facsimile as a PDF. Step 3. Review entire document for accuracy. Step 4. If all information is correct, print, sign, and upload the form along with any required supplemental documents. Step 5. If changes are needed, follow directions for each specific section, then print, sign, and upload the form along with any required supplemental documents. Note: contact information as well as mail to, pay to, faxes, email, and phone data should be updated via the Secure Provider web portal. Step 6. Upload the revalidation documents via the Secure Web Portal. Click Trade Files, then Forms, then REA. Once the submission has been successful, a barcoded cover sheet with the record ID number will generate. Please print this for possible future use. This could be required for additional requested information. Required for all validations: provider agreement, individual disclosure form for individual practitioners, or facility/group disclosure form for providers who operate as a corporation, organization, institution, agency, partnership, professional association, or similar entity. Additional documents that may be required include, but are not limited to, the following. Include the following if applicable: W-9 tax form, required if changing the service location address or tax name. CLIA certificate, required if changing the CLIA certificate number. DEA certificate, required if changing the DEA certificate number. EPSDT agreement, required if EPSDT specialty is on the provider file or if adding the EPSDT specialty. Plan First agreement, required if Plan First is on the provider file or if adding the Plan First specialty. Certification of mammography systems, required if adding the mammography specialty. For questions regarding or assistance with revalidation, please contact Provider Enrollment at 888-223-3630.